I don't know. It's just something about them. I just can't get checked with. What's up, baddies? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out a new wig that I ordered from Amazon. So if you guys would like to see how this is going to work out, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, period. The wig that I ordered is from the company Nadula Hair. They do have a store on AliExpress, but I did like the Amazon option better because of Prime with the 2-day shipping, so that's why I went that route. This is the headband wig, and this is their curly headband wig, and I did get this in 22 inches. Inside of the wig does have a comb on the front and the sides and at the bottom, and then it does have the adjustable straps, and then the headband part does have this Velcro strip where you could adjust the tightness of the headband. So I do have my hair braided. I see most people just put their hair in a ponytail, but I really can't do that because I'm natural and my hair is super thick and kind of long. I wouldn't consider it long, but I think it's long for me to just put it in a ponytail and think it's gonna be okay. So I did braid it, but I didn't start my braids. Like, my braids are starting right here, so I started my braids kind of far back so I could comb, like, you know, and have the So I am gonna be using my Kiss Colors and Care Edge Fixer. Y'all know I can't say that word, but this is the collab with Kiss and Saweetie, my girl, my icy girl. But this one smells really good. It smells so good. I want a perfume that smells like this. I'm just gonna go in with my edge brush. So we're just gonna brush that back like that, and like I said, we're just gonna brush through those lines to make it not look like we have braids in our hair. So now I'm gonna take my wig. I'm gonna just comb the first comb in. I'm gonna try to comb it in like this. I hope y'all can see. And since this hair is so curly, I don't want it to get it in the Velcro. I have to pin it up. And I'm gonna pin it up for the Velcro part again so we can get it super seamless. Now we're gonna stretch. It does have a pretty good stretch. I'm just gonna Velcro it in the back, like so. And yeah. So I'm gonna take out these clippies. I guess I should have talked about this before. Well, I guess I'll do it now. Better late than never, but never late is better. Is that what Drake said? Sure. Period. So I'm going to push this back, the headband part, because I think that's if you want to wear it like that headband look. But that's not the look. So they did send me 2 headbands with my package, and it's these 2, but I really don't like the headbands that have the crisscrossy thingy. I don't know. It's just something about them. I just can't get checked with. I'll just show y'all one anyway. I'll do this one. Big head problem. So we're gonna tie this up again. Okay, so this is how it looks with this headband, and it's a cute headband. I just don't like that. I guess it's the knot for me. It's the knot for me. It's not what's up. Okay. Ooh. It's cute, but I just don't like this. I like the headband style. I just don't like the knot, and that's how this black and white one is too. I like the style. I don't like the knot. So this is what this headband looks like. So now I'm gonna twist this back up so we can put on the other headbands. So since I don't like those headbands, I did have to run out and buy my own headbands. And I think these headbands are kind of slept on. I've been buying headbands from this store since about 2016 because that's when I started needing them. But Walmart will put you on, okay? Do y'all see that price? It's on there. Yeah, get into it. Okay, so we got 2 headbands for $4 basically. But Walmart, they've been having these really good stretchy headbands for a long time. So about this one, because of the cheetah print, I do have a cheetah print headband already, but you know, you can never have too much cheetah print. And then I got this one because of the black one, but this green is really cute also for the fall. Or is it winter? I mean, it's fall right now, but it's almost winter. So I'm gonna try all of these on for y'all. And the reason why I like them, they're super thick. Like sometimes I'd go to work without my wig on, and I'd just simply wear this like this, and this back end would hang out, and I just tuck it under in the back, and that was my head wrap for the day. That's why I really love these headbands, because you can scrunch it and make it a regular headband. Don't sleep, y'all, and don't say I didn't put y'all on. So I'm gonna try this red one on. So this is what she looks like. I like it a lot. Okay, that's that red one. Next, let's do the green. We're gonna save the essentials for last, okay? And I really like how stretchy these are, so you don't even have to worry about scraping your face. Oh yes, this is giving. It's giving. But I do think I like this green better than the red headband. I don't know. What do y'all think? Wait till I'm done and y'all tell me in the comments. So that's the green. I'm gonna say the best for last, so we're gonna do the cheetah one last. This one is definitely an essential. And I'm happy I got this headband wig because I feel like this is perfect. Usually when I go to the gym, I don't wear my wig. I just wear like how I wear those headbands and just put a cap on over it. And I'm not cute at all. But I feel like this headband wig is gonna promote me to like bad bitch status at the gym. So I just wear this and put, yeah. I really like this wig, okay? So that's the black one. And I'm gonna show y'all my cheetah print one. This is gonna be my favorite one. I know people gonna be tired of this one, because they already tired of my cheetah print bathrobe. Oh, I even like it as a choker. Okay, let me stop playing. Okay, and this is the headband. Ooh, this is really giving. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is definitely my favorite one. Which one is your favorite one? Let me know down below. Come on me. And I absolutely loved this because I didn't have to lay a lace. I didn't have to take the scarf off and try to relay the lace. I didn't have to worry about the lace lifting. Oh Jesus, this might be my new go-to wig. Oh my gosh, I really like this. And also in the package, they did include this really cute charm bracelet. But when I did try to wear it, it was kind of too big for me. I'm gonna try to, let me see. Like, but I do have a really small wrist. See, ooh, watch me break it trying to do it like this. My sister did try to help me last time. I mean, I think that's too big when it goes past your wrist. Like when it goes past here, it's too big. Maybe if I put my watch in front of it, you know, it'll work. Oh, it's giving. It's giving. I'm so happy. So that's the wig. I just wanted to show y'all my wig that I got. If you guys would like to purchase it or check it out, I will leave the link down below in the description box, so make sure y'all check that out. Well, baddies, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, let me know down below which headband was your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.